Hey guys, welcome back to Earth Delilah. So for the past month, I have been working extremely hard to fulfill mask shortages for our frontline heroes. With desperate time call for desperate measures. So homemade fabric masks are essential when there is a shortage in medical masks. I would certainly like washable and reusable masks to save money and to help avoid medical mask shortages for medical staffs who will need them the most. It is critical that we all help our healthcare providers because, hey, where will we be and what will we do without them? And also, SOAP aid is critical right now. Communities all over the world are facing hygiene challenges. Profits will go to help produce masks for healthcare providers and families in need of soap. You can purchase your 100% cotton fabric mask at etsy.com/shop/EarthDelilahStudio3. The link is provided below in the description box. Thanks, guys.